traffic congestion in front of Shastri Bhavan at Chennai because of the SFI protest over here, and the police are trying to stop these people. And these are the Students Federation of India cadres who are protesting against the NEET exam. In fact, that has turned into a ruckus as police are trying to forcibly remove the students from this place. And this is a protest against NEET exams. In fact, Tamil Nadu has been anti-NEET for so many years, and even the Chief Minister recently said that after coming to power, that even the people here from the MPs who have been elected from the state of Tamil Nadu will go ahead and voice their raise their voice against NEET. And this is what's happening over here, because all this because of the recent question marks that's being kind of leak of question marks, the cluster of toppers and the grace marks. Everything is being released over here, and the students here claim that the police are not allowing the students are not being allowed by the police to protest over here, and that's the reason you could see the kind of issue that is happening over here. These are the SFI students who are protesting against NEET. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has also raised his voice, claiming that the Tamil Nadu government will constantly fight against NEET, and that's what you see over here. The policemen are trying to stop the students even before they could actually protest or support, all because this is a very small area, and heavy protection has also been given to Shastri Bhavan. This is a place where you have the CBI office and various other central government office, and that's the reason the kind of commotion is occurring over here, all over NEET exams. Jivian from Madhav for India Today.